Before beginning this recipe, make sure you have your cucuzza ready to go. Peel, shred, and strain the liquid through a cheesecloth. Then set aside. If you don't have access to cucuzza, just use zucchini instead. 2 to 3 zucchini should do the trick. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Grease a bundt pan really good with cooking spray so your bread will slide out easily once it's finished. To a medium bowl, we're going to use a sifter and sift 200 grams of flour, 50 grams of cocoa powder, two teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and optionally 1 teaspoon of espresso powder to bring out the chocolate flavor. Whisk well. Then set aside. To the bowl of a stand mixer, add 3/4 cup of softened butter, one cup of white sugar, and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Cream the butter and sugars until a smooth consistency is achieved and the mixture has turned slightly more pale, about 5 minutes more. Scrape down the sides of the bowl. Now add 3 eggs. Mix to incorporate. Next, add 200 grams of sourdough discard. Then add 20 grams of milk and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Mix well. Then scrape down the sides of the bowl. Whisk the prepared cucuzza into the mixture. Last, fold your dry ingredients in 2 parts. Add your completed batter to your bundt pan. And smooth the top. Bake in your preheated oven for 50 to 60 minutes until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Let it cool in the bundt pan for 10 to 15 minutes before removing and allowing to cool completely. After it's completely cooled, it's time to add your icing drizzle. Whisk 1/2 cup of powdered sugar with 1 tablespoon of milk. Whisk until a smooth and slightly runny consistency is achieved. Drizzle the mixture all over your Cucuzza bread. Pardon my imperfection here, but I don't think that matters as the taste was amazing. And there you have it, folks, sourdough chocolate Cucuzza bread. Enjoy! Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.